greetings, and today let's talk about this other project called Oasis. So Oasis AI is just like the way you are seeing grass and the project that I recently introduced, which is also Nodepay. So they are in the same category. You earn passively you by allowing it to run as you use your internet on your device. Yeah, so this is their X handle. You can see it has a golden verification tick, part of authenticity really. Yeah, so let's see how to join it and how to mine it without any delay. So when you use the link in the description below, so what you'd be doing is you copy the link and then you paste it in either Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. Yes, and then you open it from there. So those are the good browsers that help you run these projects. Yeah, so when you launch the using the link in the description, you will land on a registration area. So in the registration, what you do, because you don't have the account, you create an account. So you click that, you create an account. So as you're creating an account, you get these details. You put your email, put your password, and the rest of the referral codes and what will be filled in automatically using the code. It gives you some bit of bonus too. So thereafter, you will log in. After logging in, you will have this interface. So this interface on a laptop it's different, just like on a phone. So on the phone, you just need to click there and you get an extension. It's also you also get an Oasis extension, just like you are getting a grass extension, you are getting a Nodepay extension. Also, this one is the same idea. You have to get that extension in your browser that will help you mine. Yes. So when you click on this as you're setting up your platform, you see this area that has providers. So you can also click on that provider and then you'll see this space. So this space is where you put your username, the username that you will choose. Yeah, so you put it there, then you click connect. So on a PC, sorry, I have a cold. On a PC, we have it's slightly a different interface where you will have to download an app, an Oasis app. But then all those prompts are there as you're running. They will prompt you to download that app. So in that app, it will, of course, appear on your desktop. Then you log in. You log in that app. When you log in, you are done. You have done setting up through that app. So you just get back to your browser, which is your Chrome browser, and then you continue with what we are talking about, what I'm going to proceed with after here. So after you've put your username, you connect. So thereafter, because that was the username that I used, connected, then they'll give you this notice that successfully connected, and then you click here on provider dashboard. So you go back to your dashboard and you see the rest of the earning. So in your dashboard, when you've just started, of course, you have zero credits, and so this will be increasing as you go by. So in case you haven't gotten the extension, you click on the three buttons in your right upper corner of your browser and you get this. So you click on extensions. So when you click on extensions, this is where you go. You come here from store. That is this. I'm using Kiwi browser here. Yes, but then also in Mrs. browser, it's the same procedure really. So here you click on from store. When you click there, you will have this search bar where you put in your search. Your search will be Oasis AI, Oasis.ai. Then it's here. You click on it. So when you click on it, you will see this interface and you will see this option that's in the corner, this one here, which shows you add to Chrome. So you click on that one to add the extension to Chrome. So after, of course, you get this prompt, you click OK. Then when you've added it successfully, you will now see an option saying remove, meaning that you've added it. So don't remove. So you proceed. You just go back to your browser, the home page or what, or you click, just use three buttons in the right upper corner and then you scroll down in the options. You go down. As you're scrolling, you'll find your extensions attached down. So this is the extension that you're going to use. So you click on this one. So when you click on it, you will see this. Again, you put in the username that you had already set. So you connect, you click on connect, then you will have that you have connected successfully. So you go back now to the provider dashboard. So in the dashboard, this is how it looks. So here, I've put it in desktop mode, but then this is on the phone. Yeah. So when you want desktop mode, still it's in that those three buttons, those three dots options that are in the right upper corner. So that's if you want the desktop mode. Yeah. So you will see this area. This area shows you the nodes. So in the recent video of Nodepay, I told you nodes are the number of devices that you've connected using one account. So for instance, if I connect my laptop and then I also connect my phone, those are two different nodes. So the more the nodes you have, the more your mining efficiency. So you can imagine someone who has like 10 laptops all opening one account. He will have different nodes. So all those nodes, they are, as long as they are connected to the internet, they are collecting different points. So in the end, you have something cumulative in the same account. So it's something good. If you have many devices, just open your account in those many devices, but just open one account and don't use VPN. If you're using VPN, most of these platforms won't work under VPN. So don't use VPN. Just use the usual internet or your Wi-Fi. Yeah. So when you use VPN, sometimes the platform disconnects itself. Yeah. So you can connect to various nodes as you wish, really. So this is the area that you need to pay attention to. So when you have just joined, you will have these areas, and the key areas to focus on are this area of the CPU and GPU. So you can be connected, but then you're not active. So being active really takes a few minutes, so maybe seconds to minutes. So you don't worry, just as long as you have done the whole procedure, just give it time, be doing other tasks, and then you'll come back and you'll find when it is active, your node is active. So these are two different devices here. Yeah, I also connected the laptop later on. So thereafter, you see there's a laptop there, Windows, and then this Linux is a phone. So you can see after giving it a few minutes, these appeared. So this shows you that actually now you are active. So usually when they appear, and you also have the active thing here, the notice on the status, it shows that now you are actively collecting points, actively sharing your internet, which is what you need to collect these points. Yeah. So thereafter you can come to this option. So in your left upper corner of the interface, you will see these options. So here there is referrals. So we are going to be going through some of the essential parts of these options here. So referrals is essential. That's why you get your referral link. Then you come here. You will see there is a copy option there. You copy that. This is a referral link. You copy it, then you share it with your friends, and then so that they also join. Yeah. So uh, so here when you've joined, you see when you're adding these links, you come to your web browser here. That's why you copy it and paste it there. Yeah. So here we are seeing a credits section. So among the options that I showed you in this corner here, there is a credit section. So this is an important section given that it gives you social points. So different social points that you perform, it will be in this section. So you have two options here. You have objectives and then you have verification. So here it is loading. So when they open, your objectives here are 7. See all these. So you complete them. These follow what, follow on X, follow on Discord. But then you can't do them if you haven't linked this account to your X account or your Discord account. So you come, for that matter, therefore, you come in verification to do that. So you click there on verifications. So in verifications, you will see this. You will see verify your email, connect your X account, connect your Discord, update your referral code. So updating it, it just gives you an option to go and change your referral code and maybe put in some other things that you feel like you want to add, maybe your name or what, or you leave it. So personally, I left it ready, but then I got these 500 points. So as long as you just click there and you act like you're going to change, you come back, you get those points. So you verify your email, connect your X account, connect Discord. So when you click on the X account, for instance, you see here verification of email is done. So next, when you click, this is what you see. So this is a tricky area that you need to pay attention to. So what you do here, you go to these security settings. So these security settings are actually in this interface. Those are the ones that help you connect. So when you click there, you will see this interface. They'll give you this interface. So this interface, as I showed you, the email you had already verified. Just that one is, they just send you a verification message to your email. You click on it as part of verification and it approves. So here you can see that we haven't connected these. So what you do, you come here to Twitter or X and you connect. You come here to Discord, you connect. Yeah, so Google and Apple, these ones are not active right now. Yeah, so I don't know if they are active on iOS, for instance, the Apple. Yeah, so maybe iOS users will let me know. So so we're going to do these two, Twitter and Discord. So on Twitter, you come here. After clicking there, this is the interface. You see, you come here, you authorize the app. So clicking on authorize, you'll be done. When you get back, you see here it's configured. Yeah. So you do that for all those tasks that I showed you, the Discord and what. That's the very process you do. Yeah. So also for your referral code, you do as I told you. Just click there, even if you don't want to update it. You just come back, you collect those 500 credits. Yeah. So when you get done, you see here, after clicking in the referral code, they give you that pencil option that shows you that you can actually update your referral link. But then I didn't change mine, so I just proceeded, and then you see I got all the points. So you go back now to your objectives. You see we were in verification, to go back to objectives, and then you perform the tasks as they are. So when you click on Oasis there, you follow it, and then you follow Oasis, then you come back and verify the status. Because remember, your accounts are connected, so they can tell if you are followed or not. Yeah, so do that. And then you can also do connect to their Discord, Oasis Discord bot. So now there are these other two. So these other two of these ones of Discord, they are performed. I think they update them on their own automatically according to activity in the bot. So for instance, this AI, Oasis AI, has an option of actually making converting text to image. So if you give them a text prompt, they can actually convert it to an image. If you put in there like football, they can give you a ball and whatnot. Yeah, so the number of times you do that activity in their Discord earns you some extra points. Yeah, so it's not a mandatory thing, but then if you find yourself maybe as a designer and you need to convert text to image, then you can use that prompt. It's easier to be used on laptop rather than clicking on the phone to open Discord. Yeah, so on laptop it's an easy thing to do. Yeah, so that is majorly it. Yeah, you perform all those tasks, and you get that will be majorly it. That will be it. So on a laptop, as I was telling you, you see this desktop application. This is one of what you will see as you are trying to set up. So you will see extension here and then application. You should download the application too. So that application also acts like a way to as a node to help you enter the Oasis AI. So that is it. That is it. You mine in it. I've given you this platform. It is very early. It's almost a new platform. So mine in it and gain profit from it. So you can see when you click on that extension, the one in your browser, this is what you will see, that will show you that you're active in that device. Yeah, so that is it really. I wish you all the best in the mining and have a great time.